Welcome to Mayfield, Kentucky, a small town in the western side of the Bluegrass State, home to one of Progress Rail, or PRLX's facilities. It is here that PRLX rebuilds and refurbishes locomotives, as well as stores motive power for various reasons. Subsequently, this facility is a gold mine of unusual and hard-to-spot EMD locomotives, so let's take to the sky and see what rare finds lie within PRLX's Mayfield shops. The main deadline of the facility is on the outer ring of PRLX's property, and on the day that I visited housed a number of retired Norfolk Southern SD70M-2s and EMD Tier 4 SD70 ACEs, a model of engine that didn't sell as well as the company had hoped. A few one-off locomotives were present here as well, including some miscellaneous end cab switchers, Jeeps in CSX and GATX paint, and even a lone Union Pacific SD90-43 Mac, the last of which used to be a common sight on Norfolk Southern before they were all turned into SD70 ACUs. It's been a number of years since I'd seen one of those. Hanging around at the main part of the facility is another grab bag of EMD products spanning multiple eras, including one of CP's heritage units. I can only assume that these engines are currently being worked on or are next in line for some work. Thank you for joining me on this aerial view of PRLX's shops in Mayfield, Kentucky. If you like this video, please subscribe as there are more like it on the way. Thank you for watching.